Hey, welcome back, everybody. My name is Gustavo Rojas, your personal bartender. And today we're going to have another one of those fun, cool, and refreshing, delicious cocktails that we are always been making. Hey, this is your first time in this channel. Welcome. Let me show you how to make great cocktails with an amazing presentation and fantastic flavors, guys. Very simple. Give us your thumbs up, subscribe right in this link. Nothing hard to do, just click on it and you'll be already receiving a couple cocktails a week in order to impress or have a really good parties in your house. Today we're gonna have another one made with tequila. And I don't know if you ever happen to be or see one of these recipes or like in the menu, the description of the cocktail, and some things they don't add together. Well, this is gonna be one of those cocktails that you're like, really? However, the flavor is just amazing. So stay with me and let me show you how we're going to be doing the conflict and compromise cocktail. Only here at Hey Bartender. So, conflict and compromise. This is just one of those delicious recipes, you guys. And it's not going to disappoint you at all. This is what we're going to be needing. Let's start with 1.5 ounces of tequila. Silver, 100% agave. You're gonna get some cilantro. I know, a lot of people they're like, well, this is not a salad, this is not a dish. Trust me, it is so good. At the beginning, when I started looking at the recipe, I was like, really, this thing gonna be tasting really good, and it is. You're gonna grab approximately 4 to 5 slices of jalapeno. Be aware that your jalapenos, obviously, you never know. They don't have a sign that it says, I am hot, and the other one says, I am not. So sometimes you might get a spicy one. And what you want to do is you want to muddle a little bit, guys. You want to get those flavors out. That'll be done. Midori or a Melon Liquor, either one, that's gonna work perfectly fine, you guys. Let's go for 3/4 of it. Fresh lime juice, always fresh. Go for 3/4 of an ounce too. And remember, agave nectar, measure your sugars. I like to go for like 1/2 ounce. I don't like to make sure, I wanna make sure that my drink is not gonna be overwhelming sweet because of the actual Midori. But it is up to you. Let's put some ice. Give it a shake. Make a double and strain. And you're gonna garnish with some cilantro slips on top. And a lime wheel. Conflict and compromise, everybody. A delicious way to drink your margaritas or your tequila. Salud.